Keeping your tires and wheels clean is important for both appearance and safety. However, some common cleaning mistakes can actually damage your wheels. Here are some tire cleaning mistakes you should avoid to keep your wheels in great shape. Many people use dish soap or glass cleaner on their wheels, but these products can be too harsh. They may strip away protective coatings and lead to fading or corrosion. Using a stiff brush or abrasive sponge can scratch the wheel's surface. Always use a soft bristle brush or microfiber cloth to prevent damage. Brake dust contains metal particles that can eat into the wheel's finish if left for too long. Regular cleaning prevents buildup and keeps your wheels looking new. Dirt and small rocks can act like sandpaper. If you start scrubbing tire before rinsing, you might scratch your wheels. Always rinse with water first. Washing your wheels when they are still hot from driving can cause the cleaner to dry too quickly, leaving stains and streaks. Wait for them to cool down first. A pressure washer can be useful, but if set too high, it can damage the wheel's finish or push dirt into crevices, making it harder to clean. After cleaning, applying a tire protectant or wheel sealant helps prevent dirt buildup and protects against UV damage. Applying too much tire shine can make your tires look greasy and may even sling onto your car's paint while driving. Use a light, even coat. Chemical Guys Tire Shine for rubber and plastic surfaces restores faded materials, reviving their original appearance. It protects against cracking, discoloration, and fading caused by harsh UV exposure. It creates a long-lasting barrier to enhance the durability of treated surfaces. Not all wheel cleaners are the same. Some contain strong acids that can damage certain finishes. Always check if the cleaner is safe for your type of wheels. Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner easily gets rid of brake dust, grease, dirt, and grime. It is suitable for various wheel types, including painted, chrome, and anodized finishes. It remains gentle on wheels and tires while delivering powerful cleaning performance. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can keep your wheels and tires looking great for a long time.